Tired of your sensitive Tableau dashboards being seen by the wrong eyes? Let's lock it down. First, log into your Tableau server or online environment as an administrator. Navigate to the specific project or workbook containing the dashboard you want to restrict. Find the dashboard and click the three dots, usually found on the right side of the dashboard's name. This opens a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Permissions. This will take you to the permission settings for that specific dashboard. Here, you'll see existing permissions to add restrictions. Click Add Group User. A dialog box will appear. Use the search bar to find the specific user or group you want to grant or restrict access to. You can search by name or username. Select the user or group from the search results. Now, assign the appropriate permission level. Tableau offers predefined roles like viewer, editor, or even deny is what we want to use to restrict access. Selecting deny and ensuring all options are crossed out with a right X will prevent the selected user or group from accessing the dashboard. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the permissions page to apply your changes. Tableau will now enforce these restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully restricted access to your Tableau dashboard, keeping your data secure and visible only to those who need it. For more tips on Tableau security and user permissions, check out the resources in the description below.